Oh my god. Not again, bro.
Alright, we got 5 Melly cases. 10 April Fool's cases. Let's try our luck, man. No! No! You gotta be kidding me. This is like the 4th time in a row I get this. It's the good, man. Come on. It's just not another Valley Smoke. No. Not the Tiger Bubblegum, bro. Yeah. Oh, it's all red, man. Okay. Oh, give me legendary. Give me something good. Something good, bro. Oh, that. No! The conductor, bro. Alright. Well, that's all my memory cases. I got another Bally song. Yay for me. RPG. M4. Okay. Rim Cola. I'll take it. No! Oh god, it's gonna be this, huh? I'm gonna get just a million of these things. Oh no! RPG? Oh! 17. The Gleagle? That's rare, bro. Look at the rare Gleagle. No, I don't want a Gleagle. Oh, shovel. Come on. No! Just minute of cardboard. Come on, come on. Give me the Uzi, please. Give me the Uzi. Please. No! Get the Gleagle again. Come on, bro. I really want the Uzi, bro. I really want it so bad. I want the Uzi so bad, bro. I don't want this. Holy cow. 3 cases left, man. Something. No. Crim, bro. RBBZ, please. I'm begging you. Oh, please. No. No. RBBZ, why? RBBZ's cursing me, bro. Come on, RBBZ. I know you want to give me something good. Oh. Oh, at least this is a kill track, man. Man, that's so disappointing, bro. Alright. We're in Crim. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've seen Crim without snow. It's literally been ages, bro. Skin Crim Cola, bro.
You're not even.
Oh, what is that, bro?
You're not even.
This is what I got. What does that mean? Big C4, what's this?
Hello?
Hello?
Oh.
Yeah, there's no snow.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I'm so screwed, bro. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm so screwed.
I got him. Get him. Yeah! Bro, you died. He had a big gun, did you?
Easy, bro. I'm so... Wait, what the...
$765.
Where's the door?
What? No!
Oh, they flipped it, bro. They changed it
What?
slightly.
What?
They're trolling.
Oh my bad.
April Fools. Did you see the sky? Have you seen the sky?
The scares no one. Oh.
It's a giant man face.
Yeah.
Here, you want 2013 or 2003?
Let me see, which is the difference?
The M4. Like the number.
2013.
13. You got 3 of them. Look, it's a Mexican.
Okay, oh, dang.
Get a Molotov.
Oh, dang.
Get a I keep forgetting the layout is different. M4.
Oh, my lord. Oh, no. Oh, no, we're done for, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, we're probably done for. The Mexicans.
Be alright.
The Mexican's back. He's gonna kill you. That's a piece sombrero. Where are you going?
That stupid cardboard cutout makes a noise.
Oh, it made that chick noise.
Yeah, it did.
Oh! I got him. Oh, here, got him.
It's the guy with the M4. Run, bro. Run.
Ah, he got me. Shot him twice
Rip.
though. Shot him twice, but you don't understand.
It exploded.
No, you had an AK armor back.
Oh, get him, bro. Get him, bro.
Chill. Wait, just move me, bro.
What's an A2? Oh, dang. What the flip is this? What? One in, bro.
The other side. That guy was like, chill, bro. Should've chilled, huh?
Yeah, no. I couldn't.
Should've chilled.
Oh, you can't even lock it, bro? That's,
You can't trust him, he's headless, bro.
yeah. He's probably high
Oh,
level.
DJ Cannon's here, bro. Remember DJ Cannon?
Oh, no.
Dang, I need ammo again. Oh, that scared me.
I told you, bro. That thing scares me. Get the thing. Die. Oh! 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 I got him, bro.
That guy, bro. It's that guy. Someone loot.
Yeah, that
close the
back
door.
to you guys. Oh, no, bro. No. We have a bomb. We have a bomb, bro. Allah Akbar.
Oh, you got a bomb? Oh, my bad. I didn't know you had a bomb, bro. My bad.
Yeah, it's a roulette. It's a roulette.
You actually tricked them, bro. You tricked them.
Hey, Pumpkins, bro, Pumpkins, hey. Oh, he's dying, bro.
Hey, it's that dinosaur guy. Remember him?
Oh,
That's the dinosaur guy.
Whoa,
That's the dinosaur guy.
that's gotta suck.
The other dude.
That's gotta suck. He dies instantly to a bat. Hey, chill, bro.
You have to be low. Oh no.
Oh yeah. Run down, run.
Yeah. The gas.
Oh,
dinosaur.
oh no. Oh. Hey, you have got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Hey, bro, I have a bomb. Kaboom.
Oh, you the bomb, dude. Yo, what's good?
Allah Akbar.
Yo, don't
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You said we're chill and then you left. Shooting someone. Fighting.
help!
Oh! No, run!
Oh!
It's a fight! Get him, Joe! Oh, no! Ah! Ah!
I ran out of bullets.
Holy dang.
I accidentally shot you. I was trying to shoot the elite.
Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace, that sneaky.
Oh, what's wrong, bro? My cursor is missing.
Where's my cursor?
Why is
Yeah, mine is gone too. I had to equip a Molotov and then decrypt
I can't even
it.
exit.
Help!
You have to
I can't
equip a
either.
Molotov and...
Fire stick, stop!
Calm down, bro. Calm down, bro.
Fire stick,
Yo!
stop!
Get intel, bro. Oh! Oh! Allah!
Oh no, I'm lagging.
What?
A bit of lag, man. Why is there so many Molotovs now? Look up there. Look it! Oh my god, it's DJ Khaled! It's DJ Khaled! Oh, it's over.
I dipped, bro. I dipped. I ripped 32. My lord, escape, bro.
I ran out the back.
They're chasing me, bro. Go to the sewers, bro. Oh, they're bombing me! Oh! No.
Ah!
Oh my lord. You're camping. You're camping bad. Bad, bro. You're bad. You're bad. I got him, Tom. We got him.
Look.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Guy here.
There's one right here, bro. Oh! Oh! Oh, he died.
What is that, bro?
He went.
It's a coke coin. That is. My friend.
He's gonna stop.
Wait, relax.
Cup coin, bro. Wait, cup coin, bro. We need a bro.
What the bro? Wait, do you have one? Oh,
Oh my god.
yo, I think he's alive.
What?
He jumped
What?
out.
I fell in.
I mean, I didn't hear him die.
I don't think he's alive now. Wanna test?
Oh!
No!
Yeah, I was testing, bro.
Oh no!
Oh, he jumped in. Oh my god, I found one. It's just no, but they didn't pick it up. They just left it there.
Come down here then. No! No! The gold coin!
Then. Hey.
Use it, Fred.
How do I use it?
Don't drop it in. Just use it. Just grab it.
Right, like stand like right here, point out. Stand like right here, like around this area.
Okay. Nothing's happening.
Jump in, Toad. Now! Did you get it, Toad?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, man. This looks like Etsy.
Not the new. Not the new.
Pick one, you first.
My coke coin got stolen by a man. It gives you the event, bro.
I got it.
Where are you, bro?
I'm dying.
Family's yelling at me, bro.
Oh, I found something. I found a light.
Okay.
Oh, where am I now, bro?
Tell it's the cope trials, bro.
Oh,
You have to beat the cope trials, you know?
I'm dead. There's like lasers, though. There was like lasers.
Because I'm being ganked, bro.
Alright, just run!
I can't. I have to.
Oh my god, he's at BMT!
Yeah, no. Being ganked by a toy, bro. The icy photo, bro. I'm, bro.
Are you in the sewers?
Something, I'm dying, bro.
You in the sewer?
I'm dying, bro.
Where's Icy
I'm
Proto?
dying. Dude, I'm actually
You're
dying.
bleeding out?
No, I have a poison.
Huh?
The antidote. I need the antidote, bro. Give me this thing.
You can't use this, bro.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. You gotta help me, bro.
What the hell did he stab you with?
The fallen blade somehow. Bro. Wasted my money. Wasted $40,000.
Oh! One Punch Man!